shoulder's been doing quite a bit of, not really stretching, but just loosening up all the major joints involved in lifting hips, ankles, knees, wrists. Not too much for his shoulders yet, actually.